If you've been scrolling online and suddenly stumbled on those super tempting ads saying you can grab a $500 tree gift card from treegifted.com just by doing a few quick tasks, you're not alone. The offer hits you like, wait, is this real or am I walking straight into a trap? So I dug in, checked the site step by step, and here's exactly what came out of it. Treegifted.com looks very fresh, like it just popped up yesterday. And the first thing that stands out is the lack of any proper contact information, no support email, no phone number, nothing that shows there's an actual team behind it. When you click through the offers, the site doesn't stay consistent either. It keeps redirecting you to another external platform where they push different deals that ask for signups, surveys, and personal details. Along the way, nothing feels solid or verified, and the whole experience leaves you wondering who's actually running the show. On top of that, there aren't any genuine user reviews. No YouTube feedback, no Reddit posts, basically zero real voices saying, hey, I got my reward, or even, I didn't get anything. And that's the tricky part. It's not openly scamming you. But there's also no clear proof that anyone gets the advertised $500 gift card. The whole platform sits in this weird gray zone where it's not confidently legit, but not openly fraudulent either. Just a risky setup that wants your data more than anything else. So if you're thinking about trying treegifted.com, go in with caution, keep your expectations low, and protect your personal info because, at the end of the day, the results don't really match the hype those ads throw at you.